Lockdown ga mari lenana mamang pi ki curfew pass खुदिमक सनररोय हैना चीफ सेक्रेटरी ना लाउथोखरै COVID-19 पॉजिटिव ओइबगी रिपोर्ट सोशल मीडिया दा वायरल ओइरकपगी मतंग दसु थिगनरनब खंगनख्रै वफमसु लाकली हिरमसिदा पाउदममा
मणिपुर लॉकडाउन लेना कर्फ्यू लेना गाड़ी चेंबगी चांगदी नोंगी हेंगलकपसिदा मियामना हंगनखिबा कर्फ्यू पास असि करमना पीबनो करम अथॉरिटीना करीगिदमक पीबनो हाइना हंगनखिबा वहांग अदुगी पाखुम अदु तम तम लाकपगुम तौरी ngasi Manipur ki Chief Secretary Dr. J. Suresh Babuna hana piramba curfew passing adu ngasi dagi chanaroi haina lauthokre loinana hariba curfew pass asi Imphal West amadi Imphal East ki oina nauna lagudaba sing adu Home Department dagi oina lahol lagani aduga atopa district sing gi oina de masa masa gi DC sing dagi lawba yagani haiba wafam thokre.
We have found that large scale movement of the people is happening in the state. So today, government has cancelled all the curfew passes issued to all the people. Now from today onwards, all the passes stand cancelled, and those who want any new pass, they have to apply to the Home Department in case of Imphal East and West District, and in case of other district, they should apply to the concerned Deputy Commissioner. A new pass will be issued, and we are not going to issue any pass for group of people or bulk number of people. It has to be individual to individual, and pass also will be sent on the WhatsApp.
Nakalamurumda Manipur ki tungan ba mafam sing amadi tamda civil society organization singi mihut singna chana thana polam kya yen ba chatliba se tokpiro haina so chief secretary na appeal tarokli maruina makoina chana thakna ba donate tawning ba tengbang pining ba lere basu DC singda hangliba food bank ta thambiu haina phongdorakli.
Large number of social organizations, civil society organizations who are coming forward to do distribution of essential commodities, and our sincere appeal, we have already issued a notification today. They should not do that. They should, I will appreciate if they could donate all the material to the food bank, which is created in each of the districts in the Deputy Commissioner office. Kindly donate to the food bank in the Deputy Commissioner office. They will take further distribution through a proper systematic way. Rather than going house to house, meeting people, social distancing norms are hardly followed. So these are to be avoided. So necessary notifications are already issued by the government in this regard.
Wapam amana Manipur COVID-19 positive case lakli haibagi pawasi lengakna amani tongan ba marineba authorities singna thok tringai da social media kuthang da test tobagi report adu viral chalakpa amadi masina tungda tongan ba thokni ba thodok kya ama thokpa yabagi othokpa maramna ngasigi oina khogi positive oikhiba mioising amadi ngarangi yauna positive oikhiba mioising adugi mahaki test tokhibagi report adu viral chatkhiba adugi matang na chu chief secretary na thijillaga maduda lokhatpa yaba action lokhat number thorang tori habi wafam su thamlagli.
These positive cases I have been seeing in the social media. A lot of photographs are put, a lot of biodata has been published, details are disclosed, which is against the norms. And I already ordered an inquiry into the leakage, and responsible people who are over enthusiastic and giving the information to the confidential information outside will definitely take action. I already told the DGP to book a case and proceed further through the cybercrime analysis.
How kiba no money is the India tongan mafam singda tabok to leba nurse kuma mioi kiyama Manipura lakpa haunakre yaubusu kiyama yaukre adubu ngasi chief secretary na appeal torakpada Manipur mapanda leriba maruoina health workers sing nurse oina mathau toriba singna kariguma masai khudong chaba leitragadi mafam aduda dumak mahaki mathau todon lebiu amadi thabok thadolaga thokpagi wakhalasi tawbigenu haina su appeal torokli.
We are only helping those people who are stranded, and we are requesting the government for their help to them to return back to the state. From our side, we are not asking XYZ to come and stay here. We sincerely appeal again that those people who have no urgency here, those people who got a job opportunity there in that particular place should remain there. They should not return back.
Curfew pass pibagi matangda chana kanglo nama nauna semlakpa amade tuan ba section thorang oina kogi CSU singna miyamda chana thangna ba yenba sidasu lepiro habi wafam thamlakpa asigi mathakta tuan ba section thorang kayama lokholak liba sida akhoi punna saruk yaminaduna amade mateng pangsinduna hariba laina asi makhata na sandoktana ba honamina bagi tangai fadaba leide. कैमरा पर्सन एल कबीर ने पाउमजरी आई किचमयूं प्रेमचंद इम्पैक्ट न्यूज़ इम्फाल।